your tuck. Good. And collect. On the open side of the circle, come back with your left rein, right leg in seat, pushes the hind leg out. Good, and forward. Good. It's just like what that little girl did on that chestnut, do you know what I mean?
Yep.
Sit it back again. You saw the horse's body change? Do you know what I mean?
Yep.
Good, and sit it back again. Sit it back. Good, doesn't matter. And sit it back again. Sit it back, hind leg under, doesn't matter. Good, and forward. You do 5 million of those, and she'll get used to it, you know what I mean? And then sit it back again. Collect. Sit it back more. Sit it back. Hind leg under. Push. Good. And forward again. Good. Now we want to do that with reins a centimetre shorter and a little bit round. I know she'll hate it. Tiny little more bend right, which makes it easier to keep her round. You know what I mean? She gets that big neck and she uses it against you.
Like that.
But maybe even some days put your draw reins on for this, all right?
Yep. Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah. Sit it back again.
Gosh, she jumped into that real quick.
Sit it back. Yeah, see how she did it? She has to stay. Remember when I did this with her, Kim, when she came up to my place before she went to Woodhill, do you know what I mean?
Yep.
And Mum was there and she said, stick some bloody draw reins on it and stick its bloody nose down. And she had to do it then, so she does know. Good, you feel that?
Yep.
And come back and go on again. And come back, keep her in front of you. Come back. Yep. And she has to sit back.
She's big fancy's behind.
Sit her back. Right, so hind leg under, push. Good, you feel that? How did it feel?
Good.
And sit her back again.
You do that. I'll do that.
Collect, so back on the spot, and then ride a small circle right.
And bluff you.
Sit her back and ride the whole circle. Collect, hind leg under, rounder, more bend, rounder. Good, tough, rounder, doesn't matter. Good, keep going, good, and lots of that, all right? Good.
Yep.
She has to start to get more, not so rigid looking.